page formatting. Word offers a variety of page layout and formatting options that affect how content appears on the page. You can customize the page orientation, paper size, and page margins depending on how you wish your document to appear. You may find that the default page layout settings in Word are not sufficient for the document you wish to create, in which case you will want to modify those settings. For example, if you're printing on a different paper size, you'll want to change the document page size to match the paper. In addition, you may want to change the page formatting depending on the type of document you're creating. In this lesson, you will learn how to change the page orientation, paper size, and page margins. To change page orientation: 1. Select the Page Layout tab. 2. Click the Orientation command in the Page Setup group. 3. Click either Portrait or Landscape to change the page orientation. Landscape format means that the page is oriented horizontally and portrait format is oriented vertically. To change the page size: 1. Select the Page Layout tab. 2. Click the Size command and a drop-down menu will appear. The current page size is highlighted. 3. Click the size option you desire. The page size of the document changes. To format page margins: 1. Select the Page Layout tab. 2. Click the Margins command. A menu of options appears. Normal is selected by default. 3. Click the predefined margin size you desire. To use custom margins: 1. From the Page Layout tab, click Margins. 2. Select Custom Margins. This will take you to the Page Setup dialog box. 3. Adjust the margin sizes for each side of the page and click OK. You can use Word's convenient Set as Default feature to save all of the formatting changes you've made and automatically apply them to new documents. Page Setup dialog box. Previously, we showed how to open the Page Setup dialog box from the Margins drop-down menu. As you become more familiar with Word, you may find that you want to use the Page Setup dialog box more often to fine-tune the page margins and adjust other settings. To get there more quickly, you may want to use a shortcut that's conveniently located on the Page Layout tab. To open the Page Setup dialog box: 1. Click the Page Layout tab. 2. Click the small arrow in the bottom right corner of the Page Setup group. The Page Setup dialog box will appear.